Hi everyone, thanks for coming back for a little teeny tiny swatch video. I picked up this little shiny palette in, I believe, a Five Below. It's a store in the US that's supposed to have things under $5. It was shiny and I liked it, so I bought it. I have a lot of better makeup now that has these colors in it. It's by LA Colors. It was literally $1. It's very pretty, right? I was like, whatever, it's $1. But we'll see. I don't know. It's called Magical. I guess that means they have others. There's probably eye warnings on it, but I just wanted to do a quick swatch for you and also for myself to like see how good these glitters actually are. All right, here we go. I'm going to use the top of my arm just because I'm sure they'll show up. The first one was this white one. They're very sticky, but this is not coming up white so much. Yeah, it's just kind of glitter. It's just kind of sticky glitter. Make a good topper, I think, or maybe just by itself if you're just going for something simple. Yeah, these are very soft gels. Oh, they're not picking up. Why did I buy this, guys? Oh well, it's fun to play with. There we go. We got a little bit of coverage here. Next is a pink. That's pretty. These are meant for on top or just, you know, something fun, face paint or something. There's kids that would love this. Just be careful because they are very sticky. You don't want it all over your house. Oh, come on. I gotta get a good swatch of this one. That's so pretty. It's just not darkening up. You know, it's not like the glitter gels in the Profusion palettes or something. So my swatches of these the first time were actually a little off camera. They were pretty close up, but they just weren't in the center. So I decided I'm gonna go ahead and just give them a second swatch and see if we can build them up a little bit. First is this white. Like, rather than taking them off, we're just gonna keep going. And it's definitely not white. It's just, it almost looks like some green glitter. Just making sure it's in frame. Yep. Okay, next was this purple glitter. I think this can probably build up pretty fast. Or pretty well. So yeah, see, I mean, they're not great, but they're good for what they are. I like this pink glitter a lot. This is very pretty. It would make a very pretty topper. I hope they stay on the eye. And then this blue down here. Yeah, not getting a lot more pigmented. I feel like you'd have to put like the entire palette on just to get some pigment, but whatever, they were fun. They were $1, and that's that. So thanks for watching. Talk to you soon. Bye. I picked up this what? Was this even in the shot?